Alright, so I'm at this house for a pool party, and here we got this Goodman unit. Running. Yeah, this thing is nice. I think it has I believe it's a Copeland scroll compressor. That's what it sounds like. It's working really good. It's a GSZ 14, 3.5 ton, just like the ones in Florida that got replaced. But this is a 3.5 ton, not 2 ton, and 1.5 ton. And it's from September of 2018. So this is newer than the Goodman down in Florida that got replaced. Yeah. It has a broad ocean fan motor. So yeah. Goodman GSZ 14 running. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.